Most people wait too long. They leave the courgette on the plant thinking it needs more time, more size, more something. Then they turn their back for 2 days, and it is a marrow. Here is the truth. A courgette at 15 centimeters is already at its best. Pick it now, and the plant sends energy straight into the next fruit. Leave it and you lose both the flavor and the momentum. By the end of this, you will know exactly how to check your courgettes for size and ripeness every single time, so nothing gets away from you again. Courgettes do not get better the longer they stay on the plant. They get bigger. That sounds like the same thing, but it is not. A small courgette has tender skin, dense flesh, and concentrated flavor. A large one has watery flesh, tough seeds starting to form, and a skin that is pushing back against your knife. The plant does not care which one you prefer. It is just doing its job. Your job is to step in at the right moment, and that moment comes faster than you expect. In warm weather, a courgette can go from 10 centimeters to 30 in under a week, so this is not a once a week check. This is a every 2 days check, minimum. Grab a ruler or a tape measure. Yes, actually grab one. Eyeballing this does not work, especially when you are new to it and your brain has no reference point yet. You are looking for fruit between 10 and 15 centimeters long. That is your window. Harvest inside that range and you will not go wrong. At 10 centimeters, the courgette is good. It is young, sweet, and the skin is completely edible. At 15 centimeters, it is still excellent. This is the outer edge of ideal. The texture is still firm, the seeds are still small. At 20 centimeters, you are starting to lose something. It is still edible, but the quality is dropping. At 25 centimeters and beyond, you are in marrow territory. Use it differently, or compost it, but do not pretend it is still a courgette. Size is the first check. Firmness is the second. Run both every time. Press your thumb gently into the skin, not hard, just enough to feel what is underneath. A harvest-ready courgette pushes back. The skin is firm and smooth. There is no give. A courgette that is past its best feels slightly soft under pressure. The skin may look fine, but there is a sponginess underneath. That is moisture building up inside tissue that has gone too far. If it passes both checks, harvest it today, not tomorrow, today. Use a sharp knife or secateurs. Cut the stem cleanly about 2 centimeters above the fruit. Do not pull or twist. The plant stem is soft, but the junction between fruit and plant is surprisingly tough. Pulling risks snapping a larger stem or disturbing the root. A clean cut takes 2 seconds. Make it clean. Once your plant is producing, check it every 2 days. Set a reminder if you need to. This is not fussiness. This is the entire strategy. Frequent harvesting tells the plant to keep producing. Leave fruit on too long and the plant slows down. It thinks its job is done. One well-timed pick every 2 days beats one big weekly harvest every single time. In a good summer, one courgette plant can give you fruit across 12 weeks or more, but only if you keep taking what it offers. Everything above applies to standard green courgettes. Yellow varieties and round varieties follow the same logic, just with different visual cues. Yellow courgettes should be a clean, solid yellow with no green patches left when you pick. Size range is the same, 10 to 15 centimeters. Round varieties like 8-ball peak at golf ball to tennis ball size. Use the firmness check exactly the same way. If it feels soft, you are already late. Pick courgettes between 10 and 15 centimeters. Confirm they feel firm under gentle thumb pressure. Check your plants every 2 days because the window closes faster than you expect. So, over to you. What is the biggest courgette you have ever accidentally grown, and did you actually eat it or quietly bury it in the compost? Tell us in the comments below. And if this helped you understand your plot a little better, subscribe to Grow a Lot Studio. There is always more going on down on the allotment than meets the eye.